Hello my friends. Well, we got here. It's Christmas Eve. I hope you're all getting really excited, you and all your families, children, grandchildren, whoever's. And today I'm going to open the Christmas Eve box number 24 from Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. And we're going to see what's in it, shall we? Have you liked and subscribed yet? Please do. And we will see what I made out of all these presents through all next year. Let's have a look. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at this. Little bowl. Handwoven by weavers in Rwanda. Handmade in Rwanda. Look how beautiful this is. It's like a little trinket box, bowl full of keep little things. Oh, I love it. Very nice. Alright, so it's going to be a big grand opening tomorrow of this last box. And I will see you tomorrow on Christmas Day, just before dinner. I want to open it before dinner, before Christmas dinner in the morning. I'll see you. Bye.